咁頭先我哋講咗關於 practical 啦，同埋個brainstem 嘅餅啦。咁去到呢個 video 咧，我哋就會講多少少關於唔同嘅 Pontine syndrome 佢哋嘅 presentation 有啲細微嘅分別啦。咁啊，另外咧就要再講多啲可能一啲特別啲嘅 Pontine syndrome 啦，同埋一啲有趣嘅 pathology 咁樣樣。好啦。咁咧，我哋嚟到第一 part 咧，我哋首先講翻嗰幾個 typical 嘅 Pontine syndrome 咧 ，Carl 都 point 咗3個啦 ，lateral、medial 同埋 ventral Pontine syndrome。咁我而家就想講一講咧，呢個 medial 同 ventral Pontine syndrome 一啲更加細微嘅分別。嗱，咁頭先大家都知道啦，我哋 ventral Pontine syndrome 同 medial Pontine syndrome 最大嘅分別就係，即係一個咧係會影響到個 vibration and discriminatory touch 嘅，因為佢影響到 medial lemniscus 啦。另一個咧就唔會啦，而medial Pontine syndrome 亦都有機會會影響到 6 nucleus 或者 PPRF， 咁就會有一個 horizontal gaze palsy 啦。咁但係咧，佢其中一個頭先冇提及到嘅分別咧，就係關於 facial nerve 嘅。咁雖然兩個都會導致一個 LMN， 即係 lower motor neuron type 嘅 facial nerve palsy 啦，但係咧，原來我哋嘅 ventral Pontine syndrome 咧係會 lead to 一啲 additional 嘅 deficit associated with 個 facial nerve 嘅。好啦，咁我哋試想像一下，嗱 ventral Pontine syndrome 就係一個咁樣嘅 lesion 啦，係啦，佢影響到6啦、7啦，同埋我哋嘅 cortical spinal fibre 啊嘛。medial Pontine syndrome 咧就係咁樣。佢影響到6啦、6嘅 nucleus 啦、7嘅 root fibre 啦，同埋 medial lemniscus 啦呢啲位置啦。咁其實咧，你有冇留意到，就係我哋 facial nerve 佢唔單止有呢個藍色呢個 motor component， 呢個只不過係 facial nerve 嘅 motor component 啫。但係 facial nerve 佢仲有其他 component， 包括我哋由 superior salivatory nucleus（SS nucleus） 走出嚟嘅 parasympathetic component 啦，包括我哋個 first order neuron 喺個 geniculate ganglion 裏邊嘅兩個 sensory pathway 啦，一個係 for taste 啦，佢係入去呢個 nucleus of solitary tract 啦，另一個就係一個 somatosensory 嘅 pathway 啦，佢係 carry 一啲應該係 mainly sensation of the skin around the auricle 或者個 external auditory meatus 嗰度啦。咁所以咧，如果我哋係一個 Pontine 嘅 syndrome， 如果我哋係一個 ventral Pontine 嘅 syndrome 咧，佢會影響晒所有 exiting rootlets of 個 facial nerve 啊嘛。咁咧即係話咧，我哋會影響到唔單止個 motor root， 仲會影響埋咧個 nervus intermedius 嘅 component。嗱，簡單講翻呢個basic 嘅 gross anatomy 啦。我哋平時所講嘅 facial nerve 咧，佢係包含晒成條嘢嘅，即係佢係包含晒所有 component 啦。即係總之4個 component 包含晒，其實呢一個先叫 facial nerve 嘅。咁但係咧，我哋喺個 pons 度啱啱 emerge 出嚟咧，其實佢係分開咗2個 component。一個咧，我哋會叫佢 motor root of facial nerve， 藍色呢個；另一個咧就係 nervus intermedius， 就係佢嘅 parasympathetic 加 sensory 嘅 component。係啦，咁呢啲 fibre 咧，佢喺 pons 嗰度一出嚟之後咧，佢係 exit as 2個 separate 嘅 bundle， 所以我哋係會見到佢有一條 nervus intermedius， 我哋叫 intermediate nerve 啦。咁啊，後來就會喺 internal auditory meatus 裏邊 join 翻個 motor root of facial nerve， 咁啊變咗一條大嘅 facial nerve 啦。咁但係咧，佢呢啲 fibre 雖然出到嚟嘅時候係分開啦，但係佢喺個 pons 裏邊咧係 intermingle 埋一齊嘅。咁即係話，如果我哋一個 large ventral lesion extend laterally to involve the fascicles of 7咧，咁啊即係話我哋成個 parasympathetic、sensory 同 motor component 都會影響晒啦。咁啊即係話咧，喺我哋 ventral Pontine syndrome 嘅 patient 裏邊咧，其實佢唔單止會有一個 LMN type 嘅 total facial palsy， 佢仲會有 additional 嘅 deficit， 就係 loss of salivary secretion 啦，loss of taste in anterior 2/3 of tongue due to 個 taste pathway interruption 啦，咁同埋呢個facial nerve 嘅 somatic sensory 咧就比較 minor， 咁就 unlikely 會 realize 到有呢個 deficit 啦，因為我哋 external auditory meatus 佢除咗7之外，仲有5同埋10噶嘛，咁仲有C2、C3 呢啲 innervation 去 supply 佢啦，咁所以咧反而我哋 lost 咗呢一個即係 cutaneous sensory component 咧，就相對上比較 minor， 咁但係佢一個好 prominent 嘅 deficit 就係我哋頭先提及嗰兩個 parasympathetic 同埋我哋個 taste， 即係 special visceral sensory 嘅 component 都會影響到。好啦，咁我哋頭先講完呢個 ventral pontine 會影響到個 facial nerve 嘅 component 啦，我哋又諗下 medial pontine 會發生咩事喎 ？medial pontine 個 lesion 係咁樣噶嘛。咁當然啦，佢會除咗 facial nerve、abducens nerve 同埋 cortical spinal fibre 之後，會影響到啲咩 medial lemniscus 嗰啲嘢啦。但係我就可以留意下佢 facial 嘅問題咧，其實同 ventral pontine 係有啲唔同嘅，因為佢 extend dorsally 嘅時候，佢最多都係影響到一係咧就係個即係 inferior component of 嗰個 facial nerve root 啦，一係咧佢就影響到個 genial of 個 facial nerve 喺呢一度。而呢一啲 fibre 咧，全部都淨係得個 motor component，因為我哋淨係個 motor component 嘅 fibre 係會 loop around 個 abducens nucleus 嘅啫嘛。咁即係話咧，我哋 medial pontine 嘅 facial palsy 咧係唔會 be accompanied by other 嘅 facial nerve deficit， 即係唔會有呢個 loss of salivary secretion 啦，亦都唔會有 loss of taste from 個 anterior 2/3 of tongue 嘅。O 唔 OK 啊？好啦。咁呢個就係 medial 同埋 ventral pontine syndrome 其中一個比較細微而比較容易忽略嘅分別啦。咁我再重複多一次就係 medial pontine 咧喺 facial nerve 嗰度咧，淨係得 motor 嘅 deficit 嘅啫。但係 ventral pontine syndrome 嘅話咧，喺我哋 facial nerve 嗰邊咧係會 likely 有埋 parasympathetic 同埋special visceral sensory 即係 taste 嘅 deficit 嘅。好啦。咁我哋再可以講下呢個 medial pontine syndrome。頭先我哋一啲冇提及過嘅 deficit 喎。咁頭先我哋有講過 medial lemniscus 影響會發生咩事啦 ，PPRF 影響會發生咩事啦 ，facial nerve abducens nucleus 影響會發生咩事啦。咁但係其實我哋呢度仲有一個好重要嘅 structure， 頭先我哋係冇提及過，就係呢一個啦，呢個 triangular 嘅 bundle 啦。呢個咧就係我哋嘅 medial longitudinal fasciculus 啊嘛。仲記唔記得佢做咩啊？標翻佢先。呢個咧係我哋嘅呢個標MLF 啊嘛，係啦。咁 MLF 佢就係 carry 咗我哋嗰個 internuclear neuron 嘅 fibre from 其中一邊嘅 abducens nucleus， 佢會 cross midline 去另一邊嘅 MLF， 就上去 contralateral 嘅 contralateral 嘅 oculomotor nucleus 噶嘛。咁我哋試想下，如果我哋有一個 lesion extend dorsally 去 involve 到個 medial longitudinal fasciculus 嗰會發生咩事咧？嗱，咁我哋就開另一張紙，就畫下個 pathway 咯。嗱，呢度係 midline 啦。嗱，呢度咧就係 6 nucleus， 呢度咧係6 nucleus。然後6 nucleus 咧，佢會 send motor neuron 去 supply lateral rectus 啦，我當呢度係右邊，呢度係左邊啦。用呢個隻色先，佢會 send motor neuron 去 supply lateral rectus 啦。但係同時咧 ，sorry 啊，同時咧，佢亦都會 send 另一個 population of neuron cross 個 midline， 係啦，去呢個3嘅 nucleus。就 supply 個 medial rectus 啊嘛，另一邊嘅 medial rectus 啊嘛，而我哋中間呢個 pathway 呢個就係我哋嘅 MLF 啊嘛。好啦，咁然後咧，我再畫埋我哋嘅 PPRF 出嚟。PPRF 咧就係呢度，呢個就係我哋 PPRF， 佢咧就係 excitatory to 我哋嘅 6th nerve nucleus 啊嘛。好啦，咁如果我哋 lesion 咗呢個 MLF 會發生咩事咧？咁我哋而家假設咧，我哋 lesion 咗個 MLF， 我哋而家想做一個 horizontal gaze 嘅 action。好啦，咁而家個 PPRF fire 啦，佢去個 6 nucleus 嗰度啦。咁咧6 nucleus 而家冇事噶嘛，我哋淨係知 MLF 有事啫嘛。咁佢就會正常地 send 個 impulse 去 left sided 嘅 lateral rectus 嗰度啦。咁佢亦都會嘗試 send 個 impulse 咧去 right sided 嘅 3rd nucleus 嗰度喎。但係而家個問題就係咧，我哋因為有一個 left-sided 嘅 medial longitudinal fasciculus 嘅 lesion 啊嘛，咁啊即係話咧，我哋個 internuclear neuron， 我哋呢一邊嘅6咧 communicate 唔到 with 另一邊嘅3，咁咧最終咧就係當我哋想嘗試 attempt 一個 gaze towards 個 right side 嘅時候，因為而家呢個係 right 嘅 PPRF 嚟噶嘛，我哋 gaze towards 個 right side 嘅時候咧， 我哋淨係個 right side 嘅 lateral rectus 會 contract 到，而個 left side 嘅 medial rectus 咧就會 contract 唔到，因為 left side 嘅 medial rectus 佢要經過呢個 pathway 噶嘛，而我哋呢一度有一個 lesion 啊嘛。咁即係話咧，當我哋嗱而家你望住個 patient， 佢有兩隻眼啦。當你叫個 patient look to his left side 嘅時候，你叫個 patient 咧就 look to his left side 咧，佢可以正常做到嘅，係啦，望去左邊，咁佢就會咁樣啦，係啦，就 look to his left side 啦。但係咧，當你叫佢 look to his right side 嘅時候咧，佢而家 contract 唔到佢其中一邊嘅 left side 嘅 medial rectus 啊嘛，佢要行呢條路，但係呢度有個 lesion 啊嘛，咁佢就會淨係呢隻眼望到過去右邊啦，而呢隻眼咧會有一個 cannot abduct，係啦 cannot abduct 呢個就 OK 嘅，佢 can abduct， 因為個 lateral rectus 係 intact 噶嘛。而呢一個病咧，我哋就會叫佢做一個 internuclear ophthalmoplegia。都係叫做 INO，internuclear ophthalmoplegia。internuclear 即係講緊呢個 internuclear neuron， 嗰兩個 nucleus 就係 third nucleus 同埋 sixth nucleus。ophthalmoplegia 即係 paralysis of extraocular movement， 佢有其中一邊有一個 isolated 嘅 adduction deficit， 係啦。咁即係話咧，如果我哋有一邊嘅 MLF 嘅 lesion 咧，佢就會 paralyze 咗嗰一邊嘅 medial rectus muscle。所以咧，我哋叫做一個 INO 咧 ，INO 係即係defined by 個 side of 個 medial longitudinal fasciculus 嘅 lesion。For example， 而家我有一個 right-sided 嘅，sorry， 我呢度有一個 left-sided 嘅 INO 啦。咁啊，即係話咧，我有一個 left-sided 嘅 MLF 嘅 lesion。好啦，咁所以我哋總結多一次咧，就係如果個 patient 我哋話佢有一個 right-sided 嘅有一個 left-sided 嘅 internuclear ophthalmoplegia 嘅話咧，就即係話佢一個 left-sided 嘅 MLF 嘅 lesion 啦。而佢一個 left-sided 嘅 INO 咧，亦即係等於當佢 attempted gaze towards the right 嘅時候咧，佢嘅 left eye 係會一個 isolated 嘅 adduction deficit。OK， 好啦，咁呢個就係我哋嘅 INO 啦。咁你翻返去我哋嘅 medial pontine syndrome 咧，就係如果我哋嘅 lesion extend dorsally to involve 我哋嘅 medial longitudinal fasciculus 嘅話咧，佢就會有以上呢一堆嘅 symptom， 就再加多個 INO 啦。咁但係你要記得咧，我哋頭先呢一堆嘅 symptom 裏邊咧，已經有一個 ipsilateral 嘅 gaze palsy 嘅咯。而我哋呢一個 gaze palsy 係 towards 邊一邊啊？嗱，而家假設呢度係右邊啦，呢度係左邊啦。咁而家我哋 medial pontine syndrome on the left side 影響咗 left-sided 嘅 abducens nucleus， 所以咧呢個 patient 咧，首先第一樣嘢佢會有一個left-sided 嘅 gaze palsy， 但係同樣地，佢因為影響咗left-sided 嘅 MLF 喎，咁啊即係話佢會一個 left-sided 嘅 internuclear ophthalmoplegia 啦，佢會有一個 left 嘅 INO。記唔記得 left-sided 嘅 INO 即係咩意思啊？ left-sided 嘅 INO 咧，即係話當佢 attempted gaze to the right 嘅時候，佢嘅 left eye 會有一個 isolated 嘅 adduction deficit， 但係咧佢嘅 right eye 咧係可以正常咁 abduct 嘅，因為佢 right-sided 嘅 abducens nucleus 同埋 abducens nerve 係 intact 噶嘛。咁即係話咧，我哋呢個 patient 有一個 left 嘅 gaze palsy 加一個 left eye 嘅 adduction deficit。咁如果我哋畫翻佢隻眼出嚟嘅話，我哋叫佢即係 望左望右嘅時候會點咧？嗱，呢個係我哋講緊頭先嗰個 patient 啦，primary gaze position 啦。雖然 technically 如果佢有個 sixth nerve palsy 嘅話咧，佢其中一邊隻眼咧已經會有 esotropia，即係佢會有少少 medial deviation 嘅啦。咁我哋暫時唔理呢樣嘢先啦。好啦，而家咧叫個 patient look towards the left。Cannot look towards the left。點解？因為 left-sided 嘅 sixth nucleus 或者 PPRF 炒咗啊嘛，咁所以佢咪完全不能夠 initiate gaze towards the left 咯。好啦，而家我哋叫佢 look towards the right。右邊 sixth nerve OK， 但係有一個左邊 INO， 所以呢隻眼喐唔到。咁即係話咧，而家我哋呢個 patient 咧，佢係有一個 gaze palsy， 再加多半個 gaze palsy，get 唔 get 我咩意思啊？一個 total gaze palsy 加一個 partial 嘅 gaze palsy， 因為我哋一個 isolated 嘅 adduction deficit 就有啲類似有半個 gaze 做唔到嘛，呢個就係個一半啦。所以咧，我哋呢一個 combination of symptom 咧，即係 six nucleus 嘅 lesion， 再加同一邊嘅 MLF 嘅 lesion 咧，其實有一個名嘅，我哋會叫做 one and a half syndrome。呢個咧叫1又1/2 syndrome。呢個 syndrome 咧，我自己覺得好得意，佢亦都係我最中意嘅 syndrome 嚟嘅。呢喺 neurology 裏邊啦，佢個名都真係幾得意。即係雖然佢個名好簡單啦，但係佢背後蘊含嘅道理又我覺得幾得意嘅都係啦。咁所以咧，如果我哋嘅 lesion 係夠 extensive 嘅話咧，佢就會 involve 成個 medial pons 啦，佢就會有一個 one and a half syndrome， 因為影響咗同一邊嘅 MLF， 再加同一邊嘅 sixth nucleus， 有一個 total gaze palsy， 再加一個 half gaze palsy，which represent as 一個 adduction deficit 咯。好啦，而因為我哋咧又再加埋個 seven 嘅 palsy 啊嘛，呢度咁樣成堆嘢一齊炒晒嘛，咁即係話你而家炒咗 one and a half 啦，即係再加多個 seven 嘅 palsy 咧，有啲人咧會叫呢一個 combination of symptom 咧做一個 eight and a half syndrome， 因為就係七加一就1/2啊嘛，呢個就係 eight and a half syndrome 啦，係啦。咁所以咧，你有時如果你睇 reference book 啊或 whatever 啦，你會見到有時有一堆 syndrome 咧，就係一大堆數字咩 8 and a half syndrome 啊 ，1 and a half 啊，咩 15 and a half syndrome 啊。嗱，大家可以估下 15 and a half syndrome 係 involve 埋啲乜嘢啊？咁呢個我唔解啦，你自己去explore 下啦。咁但係其實呢一堆數字背後咧係有佢自己嘅意思嘅。好啦，咁咧如果大家有興趣聽我咧，我可以講多少少關於呢個 INO 嘅。頭先就 INO 係啦，就係呢度。咁其實咧，我哋 INO 咧唔係話即係當佢 attempted， 譬如left-sided INO 啦 ，attempted gaze towards the right 嘅時候 ，left eye 就會有 adduction 嘅 deficit 啦 ，right eye 係做到 abduction， 因為 abducens nerve 係 normal 噶嘛。但係咧，其實佢個 right eye 咧會有一個 horizontal 嘅 abducting nystagmus 嘅。咩意思咧？即係話，當佢 attempt 個 gaze towards 嘅 right 嘅時候，佢唔單止呢一隻眼完全喐唔到，佢即使呢一隻眼係可以去到右邊咧，佢會不斷咁樣來回咁樣，類似 oscillate 啦，係啦，即係咧佢會向右邊，然之後咧慢慢 drift 翻去 medial 少少，之後再突然間跳去右邊，再 medial drift。再跳去右邊 ，medial drift 跳去右邊，咁咧你就會見到個 patient 嘅 abducting eye 咧會有不斷咁樣來回震動，呢個就係一個叫 nystagmus 啦。咁點解我哋 INO 會有一個 horizontal 嘅 abducting nystagmus 咧？其實呢個咧係關一個叫做 Hering's law of equal innervation 嘅。咁咩叫 Hering's law of equal innervation 咧？咁我哋就要翻返我哋最基本嘅 principle， 就係一個 conjugate gaze。如果我哋想向同邊 即係兩隻眼望向同一個方向，我哋想 preserve 我哋個 visual axis 啩，即係話我哋兩隻眼喐嘅度數基本上要一樣噶嘛。如果我哋其中一隻眼喐得多咗，或者一隻眼喐得少咗嘅話，佢咪會變咗唔 align 啦，兩隻眼嘅 visual axis，咁個 patient 咪會有 diplopia 啦。咁所以我哋身體 physiologically 佢嘅 demand 就係我要兩隻眼有同樣嘅移動嘅angle of movement 啦。咁所以咧，佢去兩個 nucleus 嘅 innervation 咧，亦都會係 equal 嘅。即係話咧，佢呢兩個咧，我哋叫佢叫 yolked muscle，Y-O-L-K-E-D 係啦。呢兩個咧係 yolked muscle 嚟嘅，即係佢係永遠都擸埋一齊。當你 lateral rectus 要喐嘅時候咧，你另一邊 medial rectus 都一定會喐。而呢兩個 muscle 咧，我哋 physiologically 係 demand 佢有一個 equal innervation。好啦，咁而家我哋個 patient 有個 INO， 咁我哋呢啲extraocular muscle 佢係有，即係佢呢個 extraocular muscle 啦，佢有 proprioceptor 噶嘛，佢有 muscle spindle 噶嘛。咁即係話，當個 patient attempt to right gaze 嘅時候，我哋個 central nervous system 係會 sense 到，哦，原來佢呢度冇 movement 喎，因為佢 muscle spindle 嘅 length 冇變到嘛。咁我哋個 brain 就會 perceive as 一個 failure of innervation of 呢一邊嘅 medial rectus 咯。咁 which 係正確嘅喎，因為佢的確係 interrupt 咗呢一個 pathway 啊嘛。咁個 brain 就會嘗試，咦，而家我 innervate 唔到佢呢一邊嘅 medial rectus 喎，咁我咪嘗試加大個馬力咯，我咪嘗試再勁啲，俾多啲 innervation 去繼續去衝啊，咁係咁俾啲 impulse 去嘗試去 activate 佢呢個 third nucleus， 俾啲 impulse 佢個 medial rectus 令到佢喐咯。但係而家個根本問題就係 MLF 有個 lesion， 無論佢俾幾多 impulse 佢都過唔到呢一關嘅，因為呢度已經完全地 lesion 咗啦嘛。但係因為我哋嘗試有 compensatory 嘅 increase in innervation 咧 ，PPRF 係咁 fire 一啲 impulse 嘅話咧，佢就同時會導致 lateral rectus 咧都有一個 increase in innervation 啊，即係話咧呢一個位置嘅 hyperactivity 咧，佢會 transfer 埋去呢個 yolked muscle， 即係 lateral rectus 嗰度。咁所以呢個 increase in compensatory activity 就會令到呢一邊嘅 lateral rectus 咧有不斷嘅 abducting movement。係啦，佢就會 slow phase drift 去呢邊啦，然之後一個 compensatory increase in innervation，fast phase 就彈去呢邊。所以呢一邊嘅 abducting nystagmus 咧，其實係 reflect 咗一個 compensatory increase in innervation in order to attempt to salvage 呢一邊嘅 loss of medial rectus power 嘅。係啦，咁我呢度就基本上解晒 INO 全部你需要知道嘅嘢。雖然其實 technically 咧 INO 喺我哋嘅 syllabus 裏邊咧係冇出現過，但我自己覺得呢個即係呢堆 eye movement 嘅 syndrome 都幾有趣啦。咁如果你有興趣嘅話咧，你可以睇一本叫做 The Neurology of Eye Movement 嘅書，咁佢裏邊又再講得好詳細嘅呢啲嘢，係啦。係講緊呢個 eye movement 咧，一時興起，唔爭再講埋呢個 PPRF 嘅 lesion 同埋 six nucleus 嘅 lesion 有咩分別啦？頭先我喺嗰條片咧應承咗大家，我喺呢條片講一講呢個分別嘅。PPRF 嘅 lesion 咧就 involve 到呢一度啦，six nucleus 嘅 lesion 就 involve 到呢一度啦。咁兩個 technically 咧，我哋都會叫佢一個 horizontal 嘅 gaze palsy。咁但係實際上佢嘅分別係咩咧？其實佢嘅分別就係我哋 gaze 咧都有幾種嘅。gaze 咧，我哋有分 saccade 啦，同埋 smooth pursuit 嘅，之後仲有一啲即係 involuntary 嘅 gaze movement，我哋叫佢 vestibulo-ocular reflex 啦，係啦。咁咧其實咧，我哋 saccade 咧就係一啲好 rapid 嘅 eye movement 嚟嘅，即係你嘗試下將隻眼冇唔好望住任何一個特定嘅物件，你將隻眼由你間房嘅左邊一路轉移嚟嘅視線掃去右邊，咁你叫你個 friend 望住你隻眼嘅 movement pattern， 你會發覺咧，你嘅隻眼咧唔係好 smooth 咁樣慢慢行過去嘅，你隻眼嘅 pattern 咧係會彈嘅，係啦，或者係試下望下塊鏡，即係有機會望到呢個 jerky 嘅 eye movement， 呢一啲 jerky 嘅 eye movement 咧就叫做 saccade啦，而 smooth pursuit 咧就講緊就係譬如我哋望住天上面一架飛機飛過咁樣，咁你望住架飛機，當你 trace 住佢嘅 movement 咧，你嘅 eye movement 亦都會隨之而變得 smooth 過，係啦。咁呢個咧就係 smooth pursuit 同埋 saccade 嘅分別。saccade 就係你冇 focus on 任何嘢嘅一個 即係 rapidly shifting 嘅 eye movement，而 smooth pursuit 咧就我哋 focus on tracing 一個 object 嘅一個 eye movement，而 vestibulo-ocular reflex 咧簡單講就係一個reflex for stabilizing our vision 嘅。咁佢點做咩嘅咧？就係當你將個頭擰去一邊，我當擰去右邊咁啦，一個 rapid 嘅 head movement rotation towards right side 就會導致你一個 compensatory 嘅 eye movement 咧 towards 個 left side。In order to stabilize 我哋嘅 vision， 即係當我好快咁揈個頭嘅時候咧，你會發覺其實我哋隻眼係仍然 kind of 可以保持喺中間嘅。呢個就係我哋嘅 vestibulo-ocular reflex 就係當我哋轉個頭去一邊，我哋隻眼會 reflexively 咁咧 roll 去另一邊嘅。好啦，咁我講呢啲咁多嘢，同埋個 PPRF 同埋 sixth nucleus 有咩關係咧？咁 turns out 咧，我哋嘅 vestibulo-ocular reflex 咧，佢係 mediated by 個 vestibular apparatus 啦。咁個 vestibular apparatus 咧，佢會 connect 佢個 vestibular nucleus， 即係呢一堆嘢啦。然後個 vestibular nucleus 咧，佢就會 coordinate 呢個 VOR， 即係 vestibulo-ocular reflex 咧 via 一個 direct projection to 個 contralateral 嘅 abducens nucleus。然後呢一個 abducens nucleus 咧，佢就會跟翻即係同頭先 PPRF 個 horizontal gaze pathway 一樣嘅neuronal circuit 啦，包括我哋呢個 internuclear 嘅 neuron 啦，同埋包括我哋同邊嘅 sixth nerve 啦，咁就去做一個 compensatory 嘅 eye movement towards the opposite side。咁我哋呢個一邊嘅 vestibular nucleus connect with contralateral 嘅 sixth nucleus 咧，就會令到佢有 gaze towards 個 opposite side， 咁就會 stabilize 咗我哋嘅 vision 啦。咁但係大家有冇留意到就係我哋呢一個成個 VOR 嘅 circuit都係 bypass 咗一樣嘢，我哋完全唔 involve 邊樣嘢，完全唔 involve 個 PPRF， 因為 PPRF 係我哋嘅 saccade center， 佢淨係 involve in 我哋嘅 voluntary jerky 嘅 rapidly shifting eye movement。咁所以咧，如果我哋 clinically 我哋想 determine 一個 patient 佢究竟係 PPRF lesion 還是係 sixth nucleus 嘅 lesion 咧，我哋就可以做一個叫 Doll's head maneuver。Doll's head 應該係咁串，係啊 Doll's head maneuver。咁我哋就將佢個頭咧 passively 咁向左向右擰，然之後就 observe 下咧佢有冇 vestibulo-ocular reflex， 即係佢隻眼會唔會 oppose 你轉佢頭嘅方向。咁如果佢有 preserve 嘅 vestibulo-ocular reflex 嘅話，咁即係話咩啊？即係話佢兩邊嘅 sixth nerve 嘅 nucleus 都冇事咯，因為 VOR 一定係 mediated by 個 sixth nucleus 噶嘛，佢係 by 個 vestibular nucleus 嘅 connection to 個 sixth nucleus， 即係再 via 個 internuclear 同埋 sixth nerve 嘅 pathway 噶嘛。咁但係如果佢係一個 PPRF 嘅 lesion 嘅話咧 ，sorry 頭先講緊咩？係啦，即係頭先講緊，如果佢 VOR preserve 嘅話，就真係代表佢嘅 sixth nucleus 冇事啦。如果佢 VOR 係 not preserve 嘅話咧，咁啊真係話佢 sixth nucleus 係有事啦。咁所以換轉嚟講咧，即係話我哋係一個 PPRF 嘅 lesion，which does not involve 個 sixth nucleus directly 咧，其實我哋係會 spare 咗 vestibulo-ocular reflex， 而我哋係一個 directly involve sixth nucleus 嘅 lesion 咧，我哋係會冇咗 vestibulo-ocular reflex 㗎。而其實我哋 smooth pursuit 嘅 movement 咧，佢個 neuronal circuit 雖然比較複雜啦，佢係 involve 埋 cerebellum 嘅，但係佢 ultimately 個 pathway 咧，其實都係 involve VOR 嗰個 terminal pathway， 即係 vestibular nucleus 去 sixth nucleus， 之後再跟其他嘢，而唔關個 PPRF 事嘅。咁所以咧，如果我哋齋有一個 PPRF 嘅 lesion， 即係咁樣樣，唔 involve sixth nucleus 嘅，咁其實 technically 咧個 patient即係除咗佢嘅 isolated 嘅 sixth nerve palsy 呢個 deficit 之外咧，其實佢嘅 smooth pursuit movement 同埋 vestibulo-ocular reflex 咧都會仍然係 preserve 嘅。OK， 咁當然啦，其實頭先講嘅嘢都係一個好 hypothetical 嘅 situation， 因為點解啊？我哋呢一啲嘢黐得咁埋，其實當你一個 lesion 去咁樣 extend dorsally 嘅時候，佢好 likely 都會 affect 埋呢個位置。但係當然我哋 clinically 都係曾經有一啲 case 就係可能佢淨係 involve 咗 PPRF， 咁就 allow 我哋可以用一啲 clinical testing 去 identify 佢究竟係 PPRF saccade center 嘅問題啊，還是係一個 sixth nucleus 呢個即係最終嘅 convergence pathway for 所有嘅 conjugate gaze 嘅問題。 好啦，終於講完我哋 medial 嘅 syndrome，我哋而家講翻 lateral 嘅 syndrome。lateral pontine syndrome 咧，頭先我就講過，係呢一度噶嘛，係啦。咁其實 lateral pontine syndrome 咧，嗱我哋講翻個 vascular territory 嘅問題啦，又係記唔記得咩係 vascular territory 啊？即係 supply by 唔同 artery 嘅位置啦。嗱 medial pons 呢一個位置咧係 supply by 個 paramedian branches of 個 basilar artery 嘅，而呢一邊 lateral pons 咧就係 supply by 個 anterior inferior cerebellar artery 啦，同埋一啲 long circumferential branches of 個 of 個 basilar artery 嘅。咁即係話咧 medial 同 lateral pontine 咧係兩個唔同嘅 vascular territory 啦。咁即係話咧，你一個 AICA 即係 anterior inferior cerebellar artery 嘅 stroke 咧 ，AICA 嘅 stroke 咧，佢就會 involve 咗個 lateral pons。咁咧，佢除咗 involve 個 lateral pons 之外咧，其實一個 AICA 嘅 occlusion 咧，仲會影響埋其他嘢嘅。好啦，咁我又要畫下圖出嚟啦。嗱，呢度咧就係我嘅 basilar artery 啦。然之後 basilar artery 兩條 vertebral artery 連埋一齊噶嘛，之後咧我哋個 AICA 咧就大概喺個 caudal pons， 呢度係個 pons 嘅底啦，呢度係個 pons 啦，呢度係個 medulla 啦。咁我哋個 anterior inferior cerebellar artery 咧就大概呢個位 branch 出嚟，係啦，佢就會 across 呢度咁樣落去啦，佢就會跟住個 pons 後面咁樣走嘅，係啦。咁如果我哋呢度有個 occlusion 嘅話咧，咁佢就會令到成個即係 lateral pons 都有事啦，因為佢咁樣 supply 個 lateral pons 噶嘛。但係咧，我哋 AICA 咧，原來仲有一條細嘅 artery 會咁樣走出嚟，佢咧就會走入去一個窿裏邊。呢個窿咧就係 internal acoustic meatus 啊。而我哋呢一條 artery 咧，其實就係我哋嘅 labyrinthine artery。點串咧 ？laby 係啦，我哋嘅 labyrinthine artery， 佢就 supply 我哋嘅 inner ear 嘅，即係我哋嗰啲 cochlear apparatus， 即係我哋咩 organ of Corti 啊，成個 cochlea 都係呢條 labyrinthine artery supply。咁所以如果我哋有個 ICA 嘅 occlusion 咧，好 likely 我哋會冇埋 blood supply towards 個 ipsilateral 嘅 internal acoustic meatus 同埋之後嘅 structure， 即係包括 cochlea 嗰啲啦，咁啊會令到佢一個 ipsilateral 嘅 hearing loss。好啦，我哋翻返呢張 slide 先，係啦，咁即係話咧，我哋 AICA occlusion 即係 lateral pontine syndrome 咧，其實我哋係可以加一個 IPS 嘅 hearing loss 落去嘅。好啦，咁其實佢 hearing loss 咧，仲有好多原因嘅，其中一個原因咧就包括唔單止係直接影響咗個 labyrinthine artery 啦。一個即使係你冇影響到 labyrinthine artery 嘅 ICA occlusion 咧，佢都可以 remove 咗 blood supply to 個 cochlear nucleus 嘅。記唔記得我哋 cochlear nucleus 喺邊度？我哋係喺 medulla 啦，最 rostral 喺 pontomedullary junction， 佢掉咗喺個 ICP 出邊噶嘛，係啦。咁雖然呢度見唔到啦，咁 anyway， 咁咧呢一個 cochlear nucleus 咧，佢嘅 blood supply 咧就同個 ICP 有啲唔同嘅。ICP 係 supply by pica 噶嘛 ，posterior inferior cerebellar artery 啦。但係個 cochlear nucleus 咧，其實佢係 supply by 一個 small branch from 嗰個 anterior inferior cerebellar artery。咁所以如果你 ICA 有 occlusion 嘅話咧，你如果 occlude 咗嗰個 small branch towards 個 cochlear nucleus 嘅話咧，咁佢又會冇咗 hearing 啦。咁再加上咧，我哋 lateral 嘅pontine tegmentum 咧，其實有一大堆。又唔係一大堆啦，有一啲 structure 係關 hearing 事，其中咧就係呢個 structure 啦。記唔記得呢個係咩？即係呢個係呢個咧就係個 superior olive， 呢個咧就係個 lateral lemniscus。而呢一啲 structure 佢都係 receive fibers from 個 trapezoid body， 然之後 ascend 去個 ipsilateral 嘅 inferior colliculus 噶嘛。呢個就係我哋嘅 central auditory pathway。咁當然啦。呢一度嘅 superior olive 亦都 receive 一個 small amount of fibers from 個 ipsilateral 嘅 cochlear nucleus 啦。咁即係話咧，如果我哋個 occlusion 係影響到呢一度嘅話咧，咁即係話佢會炒埋個 ipsilateral 嘅 lateral lemniscus 同埋 superior olive 啦。咁所以最後會發生咩事咧？就係佢會有一個 contralateral 嘅，即係 mainly contralateral 嘅 hearing loss。雖然 ipsilateral 都會有少少。點解咧？就係因為我哋個 lateral lemniscus 咧，佢係一個 contralateral 嘅 preponderance 噶嘛。頭先嗰條片都講過啦，就係我哋裏邊大部分嘅 fibre 咧都係嚟自 contralateral 嘅 cochlear nucleus，more specifically 係 anterior cochlear nucleus 嘅。係啦，咁所以咧，如果我哋影響到個 anterior inferior cerebellar artery 咧，其實我哋係有好多方法可以導致佢一個 hearing loss。重複翻頭先嗰三樣嘢啦。第一個就係我哋影響咗 labyrinthine artery，directly 影響咗我哋 cochlear 嘅 blood supply， 令到佢嗰啲 organ of quality 死晒啦。另一個就係 affect 咗我哋嘅cochlear nucleus 喺個 rostral medulla 同埋 pontomedullary junction 嗰度。最後一個咧就影響咗 ipsilateral 嘅 lateral lemniscus， 佢 receive 一啲 fibre from a contralateral 嘅 cochlear nucleus， 就令到佢會有埋一個 contralateral 嘅 hearing loss。咁最後仲有一樣關於 hearing 嘅好有趣嘅東西咧，就係我哋一啲 pontine 嘅 lesion 咧係有機會導致一個 syndrome 叫做 pontine auditory hallucinosis 嘅。咁呢個係咩嚟嘅咧？其實都純粹都係寫個名啫，係 pontine auditory pontine auditory hallucinosis。咁其實佢係一個好 non-specific， 即係你總之影響到某啲 central pathway of 個 auditory system 咧，個 patient 就會聽到一啲好奇怪嘅嘢啦。咁其中一本書就 describe 佢 as 一個 orchestra that is out of tune 啦，或者 buzzing insects 啦，或者 strands of music 啦。即係主要佢會有一啲 auditory 嘅 hallucination， 佢會聽到一啲正常人聽唔到嘅嘢。咁呢個咧係一個好 indicative of 一個 pons 嘅 lesion 嘅一個 syndrome 嚟嘅。咁純粹就係 for fun，大家可以知道下啦。好啦，咁講完 medial 同 lateral pontine syndrome 嘅一啲 miscellaneous 嘅 detail 咧，我哋就可以再講下其他關於 pons 嘅 syndrome 啦。咁啊，其中一個比較出名嘅 syndrome 咧就叫做 ataxic hemiparesis。咁從個名咧，大家都可以估到啊，寫翻低佢個名先。ataxic hemiparesis。嗱，從佢名都可以知道啦，佢係一個 ataxia accompanied by hemiparesis。但係咧，佢唔係同一邊嘅 ataxia 同埋同一邊嘅 hemiparesis 喎。佢係咪咧？Sorry， 佢應該係同一邊嘅 ataxia 同埋同一邊嘅 hemiparesis。係啦，而佢兩個 syndrome 咧，即係佢兩個 sign 或者 symptom 咧，都係 contralateral 嘅，係啦 ，contralateral 嘅 ataxia，contralateral 嘅 hemiparesis。咁佢 lesion 究竟喺邊度咧？其實佢個 lesion 咧就係一個 ventral pons 嘅 lesion， 就 involve 到個 cortical spinal tract 同埋嗰啲 pontine nuclei， 係啦，即係可能呢個位置咁樣樣。咁點解我哋 involve 咗 pontine nuclei 會 lead to 一個 contralateral 嘅 contralateral 嘅 ataxia 咧？嗱 hemiparesis 好容易解啦，一個 involvement of 我哋嘅 cortical spinal tract， 咁嗰啲 fibre 咁樣 descend 落去 cross at 個 pyramidal decussation， 再去 supply 我哋 contralateral 嘅 limbs 嘅 muscle 噶嘛，咁所以佢自然會有 contralateral 嘅 hemiparesis 啦。咁但係正常我哋通常講起 ataxia 就係話影響到啲咩 cerebellar peduncles， 咁咧就會令到佢有 ipsilateral 嘅 ataxia， 因為我哋不嬲都係講每一個 peduncle 都係 project 入去同邊嘅即係 ipsilateral 嘅 cerebellum lobe 啦，然之後 ipsilateral 嘅 cerebellum 係 control ipsilateral 嘅 body 噶嘛。咁點解呢個情況會咁特別 cause 一個 contralateral 嘅 ataxia 咧？咁我哋就要諗翻究竟 pontine nuclei 佢係做緊啲乜嘢啦？嗱 ，pontine nuclei 就係呢啲啦，呢啲白色呢啲嘢啦。咁佢 receive 咗 innervation from cortex 之後，佢係會 project 一啲 pontocerebellar fibre across 個 midline into 個 contralateral 嘅 cerebellum 噶嘛。咁所以咧，如果我哋 lesion 咗 pontine nuclei 嘅話咧，我哋 contralateral 嘅 cerebellum 咧就 receive 唔到呢一啲 pontine nuclei 嘅 information 咯。而我哋 contralateral 嘅 cerebellum 冇咗呢啲 information 之後會發生咩事啊？佢咪不能夠控制，即係不能夠好好地控制我哋 contralateral 嘅 body 咯，係啦，因為呢一邊 cerebellum 係控制呢一邊嘅 body， 呢一邊 cerebellum 控制呢邊 body， 但係呢一邊嘅 pontine nuclei 係會 project 去呢邊 cerebellum 噶嘛。咁所以如果我哋炒咗呢一邊嘅 pontine nuclei 咧，佢就會呢一邊有 hemiparasis 啦，因為 cortical spinal tract 啦，再加同一邊有 ataxia， 因為我哋另一邊嘅 cerebellum 咧係 de-afferent 咗。咁呢個咧就係我哋嘅ataxic hemiparasis 啦。咁佢 mostly 咧都係 caused by occlusion of 一啲 paramedian branches of 個 basilar artery 嘅。咁你哋聽到呢度可能就會一個疑問就係話，嗱 ataxic hemiparasis 佢個 lesion 喺呢度啦，咁影響到 cortical spinal tract 合理啊，影響到 pontine nuclei 同埋佢個 projection 合理啊。咁但係佢個咁樣嘅 lesion，佢係咪都會有機會影響埋另一邊嘅 cortical pontine？sorry 唔係 cortical pontine，係 pontocerebellar projection 咧？咁其實你個懷疑係合理，佢絕對係有機會會影響到嘅。咁我而家俾大家睇一幅圖啦，係啦，就係呢一幅圖。嗱，咁上面呢一度咧，呢個就係我哋 classic 嘅 ataxic hemiparasis syndrome。嗱，呢一啲三角形就係我哋嘅 pontine nuclei 啦。咁而家咧呢個就係我哋嘅 cortical spinal tract， 係啦，呢啲咧就係我哋嘅 pontocerebellar fibre。有一個細嘅 lesion placed at this location 咧，佢就會影響 descending 嘅 cortical spinal tract 啦，同埋 pontine nuclei project 入去 contralateral cerebellum， 所以就控制唔到 contralateral body 同一邊嘅 ataxia 加 hemiparasis， 就係 ataxic hemiparasis 啦。咁但係如果我哋一個好 massive 嘅 lesion in 個unilateral 嘅 ventral pons 會發生咩事咧？佢就會 disrupt 晒其中一邊嘅 cortical spinal fibre 啦，佢會 disrupt 晒嗰一邊所有嘅 pontine nuclei and their projections into the contralateral cerebellum， 所以會有 contralateral 嘅 ataxia 啦。咁呢個就係我哋頭先講緊嘅 ataxic hemiparasis 啦。但係因為佢個 lesion 咁 massive 嘅緣故咧，佢就會影響埋另一邊嘅 pontine nuclei project 入去同一邊，即係我哋 lesion 嗰邊 cerebellum 嘅 pontocerebellar fibre。咁咧，我哋就會令到佢同一邊咧都有一個 dysmetria， 即係我哋所謂嘅 ataxia of 個 limbs 啦。咁所以其實即係話咧，我哋當個 ventral pons lesion 夠 extensive 夠大嘅時候咧，佢係會導致晒兩邊嘅 ataxia， 即係一個 bilateral 嘅 ataxia， 同埋其中一邊嘅 hemiparasis 或者 hemiplegia 嘅。咁大家記住一樣嘢咧，就係呢個好重要。呢一個咁樣嘅 lesion 咧，即係一個 large lesion placed at the ventral pons 咧，係其中一個咧會導致 bilateral ataxia 嘅東西。係啦，呢個係其中一個會導致 bilateral ataxia 嘅東西。More specifically 係 bilateral 嘅 limb ataxia， 即係我哋所謂嘅呢啲 dysmetria， 係啦 dysmetria、pass pointing、inaccurate pointing， 同埋我哋之前嗰條片講嘅 intention tremor， 係啦，就係包括咗呢一啲 defect。其實我哋好少有一啲 focal 嘅 lesion 咧，係可以 cause 到 bilateral 嘅 ataxia 嘅 limb ataxia。即係譬如我哋要個 cerebellum 嘅 lesion cause bilateral ataxia 嘅話，咁即係話我哋要同時影響晒兩邊嘅 cerebellar lobe 啦。咁即係佢係一個 pan-cerebellar syndrome。咁即係佢一個好大嘅 cerebellar 嘅 tumor 或者 infarction 先至會導致。咁所以呢個都係 unlikely 嘅。但係我哋一個 lesion 即係一個 suitable size 嘅 lesion placed at 個 ventral pons 咧，佢就可以足以影響晒兩邊嘅 projection， 咁就會令到佢有 bilateral 嘅 ataxia 啦。而另一個可以導致 bilateral ataxia 嘅 focal lesion 咧，其實佢就係一個 midbrain。咁我哋下一次會講，係啦。咁唔爭在依家講埋少少啦。咁其實佢係 situated at 個 caudal midbrain， 佢係影響到個 decussation of 個 superior cerebellar peduncle。咁當你影響到一嚿嘢嘅 decussation 嘅話，咁啊即係話佢兩邊嘅 output 都會冇晒啦。你影響到 decussation 個位，呢度係 cerebellum 啊，呢度係 left lobe、right lobe。SCP decussation 影響到嘅話，咁咪兩邊嘅 output 去 thalamus 都炒晒咯。咁所以佢自然會有 bilateral 嘅 ataxia 啦。咁所以咧，其實我哋綜觀成個 brainstem 咧 ，mainly 都係得兩個位可以 lead to bilateral ataxia。一個咧 就係一個 large 嘅 ventral pontine lesion， 另一個咧就係一個 caudal pons 影響咗 midline SCP decussation 嘅 lesion。咁呢個我哋下次可能再詳細少少講 SCP decussation 呢個方面啦。好啦，咁我哋講完 ataxic hemiparesis 咧，我哋就又翻去呢張 slide。有一個同 ataxic hemiparesis 比較似嘅 syndrome 咧，就叫做 dysarthria hemiparesis。咁呢一個 dysarthria hemiparesis 咧，其實我哋亦都可以叫佢做一個pure motor stroke 啦。佢同一個 pure motor stroke 係好似嘅，或者即係其實係同一樣嘢嚟。咁點解會有 dysarthria and hemiparesis 咧？嗱，咁 hemiparesis 咧，其實佢嘅 lesion 咧，其實都係喺呢個位置。佢係 due to 一個 occlusion of 啲 small perforating 嘅 vessel from 個 basilar artery 啦，咁亦都有機會係 paramedian 嘅 branch of basilar 啦。咁呢個位置 lesion 咗就自然會有 hemiparesis 啦。而 dysarthria 咧，純粹就係因為影響咗最 medially located 嘅一啲 cortical bulbar fibre towards 可能係 towards 個 facial motor nucleus 啦，可能係 towards 低啲嘅hypoglossal nucleus 啦，再低啲嘅nucleus ambiguous 啦，嗰啲咁嘅嘢。咁如果你條脷又 paralyze， 你個 face 又 paralyze， 咁你喺講嘢嘅時候，因為你會需要用到即係 buccinator 啊，個orbicularis oris 啊，同埋你條脷嗰啲 intrinsic muscle 去到 articulate 啲字噶嘛。呢啲 muscle paralyze 咗 due to 一個 UMN 嘅 lesion 嘅話，咁你咪會有 dysarthria 啦。咁所以咧，你一個 lacunar infarction placed at 個 ventral pons， 即係可能你淨係影響一啲 small vessel disease， 我會叫佢做嗱 basilar artery 就喺呢度啦。嗰啲 small vessel penetrate 入去咧，咁當佢其中一條 occlude 咗嘅話咧，佢就可能影響到淨係呢個位置，咁啊已經足以導致佢一個 dysarthria hemiparesis， 就係一個 pure motor stroke 啦。咁其實 pure motor stroke 咧，佢只係 mainly 得兩個 possible 嘅 localization 嘅啫。一個咧就我哋而家講嘅個 ventral pontine tegmentum 嘅一個 lacunar infarction， 即係一個好細嘅 infarction。另一個咧就係我哋遲啲去到 cortex 會再講，係一個 capsular 嘅 stroke。佢炒咗個 internal capsule 嘅呢個 internal capsule 啦，佢炒咗個 granule 再加個 posterior limb。咁啊呢啲都係 mainly due to 一啲 occlusion of 嗰啲 lenticular striate artery of 個 MCA 嘅 branches 啦。咁咧，佢因為個 granule 就係 contain cortical bulbar fibre， 個 posterior limb 咧就係 contain 我哋嘅cortical spinal fibre 啦。咁如果佢炒咗個 internal capsule 咧，佢都可以導致一個relatively pure 嘅 motor problem 嘅，係啦。咁點解一個 pure motor stroke 唔可以係一個 cortical 嘅 problem 咧？即係點解唔可以係佢即係可能 motor cortex 有個 stroke 咧？嗱，咁呢度咧就有啲唔係好關 brainstem 事嘅嘢啦。不過 for the sake of comprehensiveness 咧，我都再講埋。嗱，我哋而家個 brain 喺呢度啦，呢個係一個 coronal section of 我哋個 brain。哇，好核突啊！之後呢度係 third ventricle 啦，之後呢度個係啦。lateral ventricle 可能呢個咩 caudate nucleus 啊，唔知咩啦，係呢度一大堆嘢喺度啦。好啦，咁之後咧，你個 motor area 我又當係呢一度啦，呢度係你個 motor area 啦，兩邊嘅 motor area 啦。我哋有個 motor homunculus 噶嘛，知唔知咩 motor homunculus 啊？即係簡單講咧，你當又係成個人係咁樣擺嘅，係啦，即係話咧。我哋呢一個 primary motor area 呢個 strip 咧，即係我哋嘅 precentral gyrus 啊 ，Brodmann area 4啊，到時大家又會再學到噶啦。Brodmann area 4最 lateral 嘅 area 咧係 control 個 face 嘅，然之後越 medial 咧就係等於個身體越 caudal，所以最 medial 咧係 control 個 lower limbs 嘅。好啦，咁呢樣嘢有咩 significance 啊？就係咧，原來我哋成個 cortex 咧佢有唔同嘅 vascular territory 嘅，同 brainstem 一樣。個 medial part of 我哋嘅 cerebral cortex 咧係 supplied by anterior cerebral artery，lateral part 咧係 supplied by middle cerebral artery。咁即係話咧，如果我哋一個 cortex 嘅 stroke，咁 most likely 係 due to 一個 occlusion of either 個 MCA 嘅 cortical branches or 個 ACA 嘅 cortical branches 啦。我哋係好難可以同時 affect 到個 upper limbs 同 lower limbs 嘅，除非佢咁啱 ACA 同 MCA incidentally 一齊 occlude。明唔明啊？因為佢 limbs 同埋 即係 lower limb 同埋 upper limb 咧，佢嘅 motor cortex 係喺唔同嘅 vascular territory，所以如果你有一個 motor 即係 cortical stroke 導致一個 pure motor 嘅 problem 咧，即係你要導致全身upper lower limb 都癱咗嘅話咧，其實好難嘅，因為你要 MCA、ACA 同時一齊 stroke 咗。咁所以咧，我哋一個 pure motor stroke of the whole body 咧，通常咧係 localize 係一個個 cortical spinal fibre 好 concentrated， 係啦，個 bundle 好 compact 嘅地方，其中咧就包括我哋嘅 ventral pons 啦，亦都包括我哋嘅 internal capsule 啦。咁點解我哋唔可以係個midbrain 嘅 cross cerebri 或者係我哋嘅 medulla 嘅 pyramid 咧？其實都係 possible 嘅，係我冇 rule out 過呢個 problem，即係我冇 rule out 過呢一個 possibility 啦。但係咧，因為我哋一個 medial 嘅 medullary lesion， 即係佢會影響到個 medullary pyramid 嘅話咧，佢 likely 會再 extend posteriorly 咧，就影響埋我哋嘅 medial lemniscus 同埋我哋嘅 tongue， 即係hypoglossal nucleus 啊嘛。咁所以咧，我哋一個 medial 嘅 medullary lesion 咧，就好少淨係影響到個 medullary pyramid 嘅。即係呢個純粹係 statistically 真係咁樣，但係我哋 pons 因為我哋好多細嘅 perforating branches 啦，所以咧我哋可以 selectively 咁啱 occlude 住一條 small perforator， 就令到佢一個 lacunar stroke。lacunar stroke 就淨係影響其中呢一個細細嘅 cortical spinal fibre 嘅位置，就可以令到佢一個 pure motor stroke， 而冇其他嘅 associated deficit 啦。仲有一個好咩咧？好恐怖嘅 Pontine infarction 咧。即係個 Pontine 嘅 syndrome 啦，佢就叫 locked-in syndrome。咁點解叫 locked-in syndrome 咧？嗱 ，locked-in syndrome 佢就係一個 affect 個 rostral pons 嘅一個問題嚟嘅。佢個 lesion 咧係一個 extensive 嘅 rostral basilar pons 嘅 lesion， 即係你要成個完全地炒晒。呢個就係 locked-in syndrome。咁你想象下呢個 patient 會發生咩事咯？嗱，兩邊 cortical spinal tract G 啦冇晒啦，然之後兩邊嘅 cortical bulbar fibre 都 G 啊冇晒啦。咁但係佢個問題就係在於咩咧？其實呢個 patient 死唔去嘅，雖然佢一個 quadriplegia， 雙手雙腳成個身體 paralyze 晒，再加埋 cortical bulbar fibre 去塊面、去條脷、去個 jaw， 所有 muscle 都 paralyze 晒。但係咧，佢係一個 alert 兼且係 conscious 嘅 patient 嚟嘅。點解啊？因為首先 Pontine reticular formation not affected 啦 ，maintain alertness 噶嘛 ，maintain arousal 噶嘛。另外 sensory pathway、medial lemniscus、spinal thalamic tract、hearing 嘅 lateral lemniscus 全部 unaffected 喎。咁即係話佢係完全可以接收到外界嘅所有資訊，純粹咧佢就係 locked within his own body， 佢完全不能夠喐，即係不能動一根毫毛啊！可以話係佢喐都喐唔到，完全 locked within his own body 可以話係。咁但係呢啲咁嘅 patient 咧，佢雖然係非常之慘啦，佢完全基本上喐唔到啦，但係其實有一個 exception，佢可以喐到一樣嘢，就係佢可以喐到隻眼。但係仲係好 specifically 咧，佢淨係 preserve 到個 vertical gaze， 即係佢淨係可以望上望下。因為我哋 vertical gaze 嗰個 apparatus 咧，即係成個 vertical gaze 嘅 circuit 咧 ，circuit 就唔係 circus 係啦 ，circuit 咧係 located within 個 midbrain 嘅，係啦，佢喺個 midbrain 嘅 tegmentum 裏邊嘅嗰個 vertical gaze circuit， 所以我哋一個 large 嘅 ventral pontine circuit 咧係唔會影響到佢嘅，因為我哋成個 midbrain 嘅 vertical gaze circuit 係 rostral to 我哋嘅 lesion， 所以嗰啲 function 係 not impaired。但係呢個 patient 咧，佢會 likely 係 perform 唔到一個 horizontal 嘅 gaze。咁點解咧？嗱，我哋又冇 PPRF 嘅 lesion，PPRF 明明喺 tegmentum 噶嘛，咁我哋又冇一個 direct 嘅 sixth nerve 嘅 lesion。咁我哋其實 technically 都冇 affect 到任何關於個 horizontal gaze pathway 嘅東西嘅喎。嗱 ，MLF 又冇事 ，MLF 喺 tegmentum 噶嘛。咁其實歸根究底咧，我哋就要諗翻，究竟我哋係點樣 control 我哋嘅 horizontal gaze 咧？唔係話 PPRF 自己有自主意識，識得話哦你要 gaze 啊，咁我即刻 send 個 impulse 去個 sixth nucleus，之後你自己整啲 impulse 出去啦。咁唔係咁噶嘛，我哋個 PPRF 其實都係 under control of 我哋嘅 cortex 噶嘛。好啦，嗱又係畫個腦嘅時候啦，腦啦 midbrain 啦 pons 啦 medulla 啦，呢度係 midline 啦 PPRF 喺呢度啦 ，6 nucleus 喺呢度啦。咁其實咧，我哋個 PPRF 咧係 under control by 個 contralateral 嘅 cortex 嘅，係啦，當大概呢個位置咁啦，佢咧就會咁樣 project 落嚟，之後咧就 synapse 落去個 PPRF 度，咁我哋先可以有 voluntary control over 我哋嘅 saccade 噶嘛。如果唔係，唔通個 brain cell 佢自己有自主意識，識得幫我哋去 initiate 一個 saccade 啊？唔係噶嘛。咁呢一個紅色點點，其實佢係 cortex 嘅咩 area 咧？佢就我哋 cortex 嘅 frontal eye field 啦 ，FEF Brodmann Area 8係啦。咁呢個 frontal eye field 咧，佢就會 send 一啲 fibre 就落去個 contralateral 嘅 PPRF 嗰度，即係 contralateral 嘅 PPRF 咧就會 send 去 6 nucleus 啦，然之後6 nucleus 咧就再 send 翻去 3rd nucleus， 咁啊去 gaze pathway 啦。咁即係話咧，我哋即係一邊嘅 cortex 咧係會 control 另一邊 PPRF， 即係話我哋右邊嘅 cortex 咧係會 control gaze towards left side 嘅，係啦，所以 right cortex。如果你有 FEF 嘅 firing 嘅話咧，就係 left gaze， 因為佢係 control left 嘅 PPRF 啊嘛。好啦。咁但係我哋頭先我哋講緊呢啲嘅 projection， 佢都要經過一啲嘢 project 落去嘅，佢唔係憑空 project 落去啊嘛。咁佢經過啲咩 project 落去咧？其實佢就係經過我哋嘅 cortical pontine tract， 而 cortical pontine tract 咧就係我哋嘅 cortical pontine fibre， 其實同一樣嘢嚟嘅啫，即係佢係 synapse 落去，佢咁樣 run，sorry， 係佢係 run within 嗰啲，佢係 run with 啦，我哋個 cortical spinal fibre 係啦，同埋我哋嘅 cortical bulbar fibre， 即係一路 descend 到落去就 synapse 落我哋嘅 PPRF 嗰度啊嘛。咁所以咧，我哋嘅 cortical 即係所謂嘅 cortical PPRF projection 咧，都係 run within 呢一個 basilar part of 我哋個 pons。咁所以如果我哋前面有一個大嘅 lesion 咧，就會導致呢一個 pathway from 個 cortex to PPR 咧都interrupted， 就會令到我哋不能夠 voluntary 咁 initiate saccade。咁但係我哋有一啲嘅 locked-in syndrome 嘅 patient 咧，我哋發覺其實佢嘅 vertical gaze 咧都係 kind of 係 preserve 嘅喎。咁有啲咩原因咧？就係因為原來我哋 vertical gaze 嘅 pathway 咧，即係 cortex 去 control 佢啦，係有一個 即係 alternate 嘅 pathway 嘅。咁就 fire 呢一個 superior colliculus 啦。嗱呢一度咧就我哋嘅 superior colliculus 紫色呢個，我哋嘅 cortex 咧可以先 project 咗落去 ipsilateral 嘅 superior colliculus， 之後咧再喺 midbrain 嗰度 cross midline within tegmentum， 再一路 project within 個 tegmentum 咧就落到去 contralateral 嘅 PPRF。咁 in this case 咧，因為佢所有嘅 projection。either 就係 above 個 pons 啦，同埋就係 not within 個 basilar part， 因為佢係個superior colliculus 嘅 projection to PPRF， 佢係 run within 個 tegmentum 噶嘛，所以佢就唔會 impeded by 呢一個咁嘅 lesion 啦。咁所以咧 technically 咧，我哋嘅 horizontal gaze 咧係有機會係被 preserve in case of 一個 large extensive 嘅 ventral pontine lesion 嘅。而仲有另外一個 kind of 係 motor function 都係 preserve in 呢一個 locked-in syndrome 嘅咧，就係我哋嘅 blink reflex 啊。嗱，留意係 blink reflex， 係有個 reflex 而唔係 voluntary 嘅 blinking。voluntary 嘅 blinking 係點樣做啊？係我哋透過個 cortex 去 control 我哋嘅 7嘅 motor nucleus， 再 project 去orbicularis oculi 啊嘛，呢個係一個 cortical bulbar 嘅 projection， 所以佢係會被呢一個嘢影響，佢係會被呢個 ventral pontine lesion 影響到嘅。但係 blink reflex 個 pathway 係點樣？嗱 ，blink reflex 個 pathway 咧有啲複雜，咁我喺呢度唔講啦，大家自己咧睇翻notes 或者睇翻 lecture slide 啦，咁我相信大家都會明到噶啦，睇得呢條片嘅人。咁但係咧，佢最重要嘅點就係有兩個 blink reflex 嘅 pathway 咧。佢係 entirely within 個 tegmentum 嘅，因為佢個 afferent limb 係個 trigeminal nerve 啦，佢入去個 principal sensory， 即係再 descend within 個 trigeminal tract 落去個 spinal trigeminal nucleus 之後咧，就再會用啲 interneuron 去 project within 個 lateral tegmental field within 個 lateral aspect of 個 tegmentum 一路 project 上去 bilateral 嘅 seven 嘅 motor nucleus 啊嘛。咁當然啦，佢仲有一個 ipsilateral 嘅 component 就係 directly from 個 principal trigeminal nucleus 去我哋個 seven 嘅 motor nucleus 啦。咁呢個自己大家睇翻份屋史嗰個 pathway 啦，係啱嘅，係啦。咁就係正因為佢成個blink reflex 嘅 arc 咧都係 within tegmentum 咧，所以一個 basilar part 嘅 lesion 咧就完全唔會影響到我哋 travel within tegmentum 嘅東西，所以佢 blink reflex 係 preserve 嘅。仲有另外一個 arguably 更加重要嘅點咧，就係其實我哋 blink reflex 成個 reflex arc 係 below 個 rostral pons 噶嘛，冇任何一個 component 係 above 個 mid pons 噶，因為佢最高嘅 component 都係個 trigeminal nerve 嘅 entry points， 包括埋個principal sensory nucleus of trigeminal nerve 啫嘛。其他 component either 就係 spinal trigeminal tract 同 nucleus 啦，lateral tegmental field 啦，同埋我哋嘅同埋我哋嘅 facial motor nucleus 同埋 facial nerve 咯。咁呢啲都係 caudal pons 以下嘅嘢嚟㗎。咁所以我哋一個 rostral pons 嘅 infarction 咧，係完全唔會影響到嗰度以下嘅一啲 reflex pathway 嘅。咁即係 technically 咧，我哋嗰啲咩 gag reflex 啊，因為喺 medulla 裏邊啦，嗰個成個 circuit 都係即係 gag reflex 啊、cardiovascular reflex， 即係嗰啲 baroreceptor reflex 嗰啲咧，都仍然係 preserved 㗎。咁即係呢個 person 嘅 vital functions 咧，佢係 not impaired by 呢一個 large lesion， 但係佢就會 locked within his own body， 因為完全講唔到嘢，喐唔到身體，係啊，手指都喐唔到，好慘嘅，係啦。咁其實呢一個 syndrome 咧，就喺23-24年嘅 Human Structure 2 Final 咧，係考過一題大嘅 SAQ 嘅。咁大家有興趣嘅話咧，係可以去睇翻嗰個 exam question 啦。咁基本上我喺呢一度咧都解晒大部分嘅答案出嚟㗎啦。好啦，講完 Locked-in syndrome 咧，最後我哋就講一個kind of 同 physiology 有少少關係嘅一個 Pontine syndrome 啦。好，揾翻張嘢先。係啦，就係呢個 syndrome 咧叫乜嘢咧？呢個我哋叫做CPM， 即係 Central Pontine Myelinolysis， 係啦，有冇名咧？係啦 ，Central Pontine Myelinolysis 或者 Myelinolysis 啦，我唔知點讀啦，係啦。咁佢亦都有另一個名就係好似而家 prefer 我哋叫佢做 Osmotic Demyelination Syndrome 啦，但係我自己覺得 CPM 係型啲啦，即係你同人講哇，我識呢個咩 Central Pontine Myelinolysis 啊，咁啲人就會覺得好勁。咁 which 都係幾得意嘅。咁呢個 syndrome 佢有啲咩 characteristic 嘅 presentation 咧？首先佢會有一個 spastic 嘅 quadriplegia 啦，一個 progressive 嘅 spastic 嘅 quadriplegia 啦，即係仲會有一個 pseudobulbar palsy。係啦，咁咩叫 pseudobulbar palsy 咧？嗱，咁首先我哋要理解咗咩 bulbar palsy 先。bulbar palsy 咧，即係就係一個 lower motor neuron syndrome involve 緊一啲 cranial nerve nuclei 啦，就係簡單講就係咁樣樣啦。咁佢可能會 involve 咗咩 nucleus ambiguous 啊、hypoglossal nucleus 啊，即係 involve 咗呢一啲 cranial nerve nuclei 嘅 palsy 咧，就叫做 bulbar palsy， 係啦，就 within 個 brainstem。咁而 pseudobulbar palsy 咧，就係影響咗我哋個 cortical bulbar projection， 咁所以咧 pseudobulbar palsy 就會 involve dysarthria 啦、dysphonia 啦、dysphagia 啦，或者一個 hyperactive 嘅 gag reflex 啦，咁呢啲都係一啲 typical 嘅 pseudobulbar palsy 嘅 symptom 嚟嘅。好啦，咁 basically mainly 就係CPM 就係呢兩個嘢啦 ，which 係 progressive 嘅 onset 㗎啦。咁但係我哋都仲未講就係究竟咩時候會有 CPM 咧？咁其實 CPM 咧就關 physiology 事喎。嗱，我唔知大家上 Year One 嘅時候有冇上過Professor 高嘅 Renal Phys tutorial 啦。嗰陣時咧佢就講過一個好有趣嘅故事，佢就攞一篇文言文出嚟講，叫習慣説。咁咧佢就係話咧有條友咧就係唔知個屋企地下有個窿凹咗落去，咁咧佢一路咧個窿越凹越多啦，咁之後佢每日都行過去屋企個窿咧，佢就慢慢習慣咗凹入去個窿啦。咁有一日咧，唔知佢老婆定邊個咧，就無啦啦走去補翻個窿，咁反而咧嗰個人咧就會覺得 嗰塊地咧雖然係平嘅，但佢覺得好似突咗出嚟咁，因為佢已經習慣咗嗰一塊地係凹咗入去。咁呢個就係佢所謂嘅習慣説啦。咁佢想用呢一樣嘢嚟到解釋啲咩咧？就係佢可以用嚟解釋我哋 correction of hyponatremia。咁就係即係我哋嘅 body 咧 in response to 一個chronic 嘅 hyponatremia 啦。咁有咩機會係 chronic 嘅 hyponatremia 咧？可能係SIADH 咁啦嚇。咁 SIADH 佢 chronic 嘅hyponatremia 啦，因為太多 ADH water retention 啊嘛。咁 chronic 嘅 hyponatremia 咧，就係我哋嘅 body 會慢慢習慣咗呢樣嘢，佢會習慣咗原來你嘅 body 嘅 sodium level 就係咁。咁啊，我嘗試即係可能 upregulate 一啲 compensatory pathway，令到我啲 brain 唔好有 swelling 啦，我將啲 osmotic 嘅嘢即係自己 regulate 下佢啦。咁我哋個 body 習慣咗你個 hyponatremia 之後咧，如果你突然間走去 correct 佢個 hyponatremia， 一個 rapid correction of hyponatremia 嘅話咧，咁你就會導致 osmotic demyelination 啦。因為你個 body 不嬲就係習慣咗係一個 hyponatremic state 噶嘛，咁你而家突然間 restore 佢 rapidly to 一個我哋所謂嘅 normal status 啩，咁但係其實對於而家個 adapt 咗嘅 body 嚟講，呢一個係一個唔 normal 嘅 osmolarity 嚟嘅，咁所以佢就會有呢個 osmotic demyelination syndrome 啦。咁當然啦，其中一個咧就係會導致到有呢個pons 嘅 osmotic demyelination 啦。咁另外亦都會影響埋 cortex 嗰啲啦。咁但係 specifically 咧 pons 嘅 osmotic demyelination 咧，我哋叫佢 central pontine myelinolysis 係啦。咁佢 radiographically 咧有啲 sign，咁呢個咧就叫做唔知咩 owl sign 啊，就係你見到呢一度咧就好似有兩隻翼咁啦，之後兩隻眼啦，好似係貓頭鷹咁咧。咁呢個就係一個好得意嘅 radiographic feature 啦。咁呢個純粹就係話俾大家聽咧，其實我哋即係一啲brainstem 嘅 lesion 咧，佢唔單止係可以導致即係我哋成日 pass paper 有考嘅，或者我哋成日口頭講起嘅一啲 stroke，唔單止係 hemorrhage，唔單止係 ischemia，仲可以係一啲同我哋 physiology 有好大關係嘅，可能 demyelination 啊，呢啲同 osmolarity 有關嘢啊，甚至係一啲我哋平時成日都忽略咗嘅可能 multiple sclerosis。呢啲咁嘅即係都係 demyelinating 嘅 syndrome，咁佢都可以導致一啲 brainstem 嘅問題。咁啊，再加個 fun fact 就係其實頭先我哋講過嘅 internuclear ophthalmoplegia 咧，即係呢個有冇人知道 internuclear ophthalmoplegia 最常見嘅 isolated cause 係咩？即係譬如有個 patient 行到嚟個 clinic 嗰度，佢成身上下乜嘢問題都冇，唯獨是係有個 INO。其實一個 isolated 嘅 INO 咧 ，most likely 咧唔係 caused by stroke， 唔係 caused by tumor， 而係 caused by multiple sclerosis。係啦，咁所以你一個 isolated INO 嘅 patient 咧，你首先要 suspect 佢係 MS 先。咁好啦 ，basically 我哋 Pontine 嘅 syndrome 就講到呢度啦。咁啊，之後我哋下一個 video 咧就會講關於好 midbrain 嘅 syndrome。好啦，咁希望大家覺得有用啦。